So when I arrived, I had not pulled into this parking lot, and wow, it was just a wow factor. It's not often that you think of a project, a parking lot, as an environmental asset. We know that under a state mandate that we have to have the storm water that leaves our city practically drinkable, almost cleaner than drinking water. And the stormwater has been going into the bay. There's an elaborate filtration system here, collecting, purifying the water. It's a public safety project. Again, thank you, staff, consultants, engineers, and contractors for making this possible.
And it really started with the Waterfront Master Plan, and we had about 100 community members sitting around tables. We had large aerial photographs of this whole area, and all of the ideas that the mayor was sharing with you, came from the citizens of Monterey. And some of the key ideas or issues that were important to the citizens was the idea of sustainability, the idea that our stormwater is clean as it leaves our site, that we enhance pedestrian connections so people don't get lost. So I think right now if you look behind you, you see a fairly clear path of travel to get from the parking area to our wonderful waterfront.
And I'm just so grateful to the city of Monterey that they had the vision to renovate this beautiful parking lot. It is a partnership with the Fisherman's Wharf merchants and the city of Monterey. We thank the mayor, the city council, all the departments that work so hard in this beautiful design that has made this parking lot so user-friendly now compared to what we used to have. When you think about the 350,000 plus cars that park in this parking lot on an annual basis and over $2.5 million in revenues generated, this is something that really says a lot for what we do on Fisherman's Wharf. The wharf alone draws over 3 million visitors a year. The revenues generated are well over $45 million, and we employ over 750 employees on Fisherman's Wharf. So this is a great partnership, a great day for the wharf merchants and the whole city of Monterey. And I can't thank the city of Monterey, the mayor, the council, all the departments for all the hard work and vision that you put into this parking lot. It truly is a gem, and it's a warm welcome to all of our visitors and locals.